Memory organization of STM32L476 microcontroller. So in STM32L476 microcontroller, we have a linear 4 gigabyte of address space. This 4 gigabyte of address space comes from the fact that the bus width is of 32 bits. So if you calculate 32 bits into address memory locations, we get 4 gigabyte of address space. These 4 gigabyte of address space is linear, means that 0 to 4 gigabyte is of in a sequence, and this consists of program memory, data memory, and also resides inside it registers and input output ports. So there are all are memory mapped. So a part of this memory is dedicated for the program section, a part of the memory is dedicated for data, a part of the memory is dedicated for its registers, and a part of the memory is dedicated for its input output ports. Some of the memory uh, is uh, bit addressable, but only a few portion of the memory is bit addressable, while all the rest of the memory is is accessible using only chunk system. So there are only byte addressable or word addressable. The word in STM32L476 is of 32 bits, and this word consists of 4 bytes, 4 individual bytes. So, and each byte is made up of 8 bits, and the organization is using a format for known as Little Endian format. So in Little Endian format, uh, this is an example of Little Endian format. So let's say we have a hexadecimal number of 32 bits. So 0x represents that the number following is hexadecimal in uh, hexadecimal number system. So 1 2 is its MSB, and 7 8 is its LSB. So 8 is its LSB. So there are pair of two numbers. So 7 8 is one pair, 5 6 is one pair, 3 4 is one pair, and 1 2 is one pair. So each of these eight these they are paired accordingly to 8 bits. So 8 bit, so these two numbers made up of 8 bits, these are made up of 8 bits, these are made up of 8 bits, these are also made up of 8 bits. So the lowest pair is goes into the lowest address. So 7 8 is the LSB pair, goes into the lowest memory address, which is the 00. So 7 8 goes into this. Then the next higher number is 5 6, which goes into the next memory location, which is 1 5 6, and then 3 4 goes into the next memory location, that is 2, which is uh, third from the base, second from the base, so 34, and the MSB pair goes into the highest memory location, which is 1 1. So uh, so this is how it represent in memory. uh, there are some memory locations which uses big endian format also. They are mentioned in the data sheet of STM32L476. So the reference manual that tells all this information is RM0351, revision 1. So this is accordingly to that. If there is an errata following that, you have to check that out also. This is the memory map for the complete memory. So the memory starts at the location 0 and goes up to the FFFFFFFF. So this is how the memory is mapped to different sections of the code. So these there are total of 8 sections. Memory is divided into 8 sections. Each section is of 512 megabytes, and so the first section, which starts from 00 and goes up to 0x1FFFFF, this is where your code program code is stored. So all, and then we have SRAM1, SRAM1, which is of around 96 kilobytes. So starting address of the RAM is 0x2000, and then we have 96 kilobytes of SRAM, and the region after that is reserved for future provisions. They are not used for used here, and also they are not connected to anything, and they are not physically available. Then we have then in the third section we have peripherals. Their starting address is 0x400, and then we have in fourth section we have FMC Bank 1. Fifth section we have FMC Bank 3 and Quad SPI Flash Bank. The board which I have is STM32L476 Disco, which has Quad SPI. So the Quad SPI can be mapped towards this particular section, whose starting address is 0x9000. Then we have a next section, FMC and Quad SPI registers. So all these FMC Bank and Quad SPI registers are going to be available in this particular section, whose starting address is 0xA00. And then the seventh section, whose starting address is 0xC00, is not available in the particular microcontroller, but their addresses are not pointed to anything. And then we have our Cortex M4F internal peripherals, so APB, and the buses, and the internal DFP, and all those registers are available in this section. So a total of 4 gigabytes is allocated in this way. This is a general overview. A detailed map is available inside the reference manual.